What's up guys, VeryCooLalan with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing these Beats Studio 3 wireless. I'm a little late to the party. These things came out like 50 years ago. As you've seen on my channel, go ahead and look through my older videos. I've had these, but I've had like the original ones, like the ones that came out in like 2008, 9, when I was, 16? I bought fake ones. I will still vouch for the fake ones. The fake ones are probably better than these, honestly. These were like $279. Fake ones are like 80 bucks and they sound way better. Or even as the same. The Chinese have done it again. But these are authentic. I bought these from Kohl's for their Black Friday. And I wanted to get a crazy color, so I got the sky blue color. So, brand new, fresh from the factory. And yes, they're real this time around. But I'll still vouch for the fake ones. I don't know if I'm supposed to say that, but YouTube. But yeah, I would always vouch for the fake ones. Let's just open this. Oh, I gotta use this. Ah, there you go. All right. What did it say on the back? Wireless. So they're wireless. Adaptive noise cancellation. More like useless. ANC off for low power mode. Nobody that speaks English knows what that means. 22 batteries of battery life. Hours. Fast fuel. 10-minute charge equals 3 hours of play. That's good. Control music and manage calls. Wow. Built-in wireless microphone. Amazing. It does what anything else that's been on the market for 30 years has done. So that's cool. Alright, so gold B logo. That makes you feel rich. You can give this to your friends and be like, here you go, douchebag. Go ahead and take them to high school and wrap them around your neck. To show everybody you can afford $200 headphones. Golden B. Nothing on here. Change the way you hear sound. Obviously that's marketing, because these aren't that great. They're pretty good for their price, but come on. Who are we fooling here? The douchers at Deepwater? Anyways, here's that. Nice hard shell case. Are you ever going to use this? Probably not. You're probably going to wear them around your neck. That's okay. Alright, cool. Little flimsy cardboard. And then here we have, ooh, this is cool. The power cable is, the audio jack cable is light blue. It clicks. Oh, what? You have a little bar. What's this called?
I have no idea. It's like a keychain.
You have a little keychain holder. Oh, fast fuel. 3 hours of play for 10-minute charge. But you know what? That's funny? Because it's just a regular micro USB cable. There ain't no They're geniuses though. They're. This is what's cost $279, not the headphones. This little marketing stuff that makes you think it's special. All right, cool. So here are the Beats booklet. Let's see what it comes with. Oh, you get a sticker. That's nice. Put it on your laptop like everybody else does. You get a little manual to show you how to use headphones if you don't know how to use them. Okay, and I think that's it. The box is really nice. This is why they charge you so much. Anyways, that's not important. Let's look at the headphones. Man, this is kind of hard. Giggity. All right. Ooh, this looks. Ooh, nice matte. Matte finish, gold. Wait. Look, listen.
Say some more.
Studio 3 wireless. So if you guys don't know, the Studios are pretty much almost their flagship. These are the original Beats that came out like well over 10 years ago. If you want to go higher end than this, they have the Pros, which are they're pretty good. They're just very heavy and they hurt your ears. They're more for professional usage. So these are the more mainstream ones. If you want the solos, those are the smaller ones. They go right on your ear. These go around your ear. And then from there they have the power beats, which are for working out. And I don't even know if they still make the tours or the ear beats. They have so many. They've changed so many designs and so many headphones throughout the years. But these are still probably, if these are not the most popular ones, the solos are the most popular ones. Just because they look really good. I mean, like, look at this. You want to wear this. I know a bunch of middle schoolers, high schoolers, they love these headphones because, I mean, it's like a status symbol, right? They have a crazy cool color and they don't sound that bad. And they're wireless. So you can either hook it up to your phone with the wire, which I prefer to do because you don't lose any quality through the wire. If you want to do wireless, you can also do that, and it's very easy. Let me see your iPhone. So if you have a newer iPhone, like the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus mega, I don't know what they're called. So all you do is you turn on the headphone, hold it down, there you go. And if you hold it, there you go. It should be right there. Then you just press connect, and that's it. You're connected to the iPhone. If you have an Android, you're tough out of luck. These are just normal Bluetooth headphones, so that kind of sucks. Please don't connect to them.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's like the AirPods.
So that's pretty much it. That's my unboxing of the Studio 3s. Make sure you like this video, dislike it, comment on it, put anything. Just interact with the video so the YouTube algorithm gives me more views. If you dislike it, go ahead, because you're still making more money. Anyways, see you later.